Every day we're going to be, making a little cover art for a random artist inside of their style. So we're going to spin the wheel, we're going to get the artist, and we're going to do their style. Let's get straight into it. Yesterday we got Yhapojj, we got him off the list, we assassinate him. All right, okay, this is an interesting one. Okay, hold on. Xaviersobased, if you guys don't know, he has purposely trashed cover art. So to give him context on his cover art style, this is basically what it is, just like normal like fonts, default fonts, like stock images. So I think this image is like the best for that whole kind of cutout look, I guess. Like his shit looks like he's been placed literally just on a background. We'll do some shit like where we put him in a laundromat like this, and yeah, we'll just find like we could probably find this on Google stock or something. So yeah, we'll just get this one right here. We'll just put him inside of that. But yeah, we're gonna put that into a smart object, and we can now see, this is the interesting part. Where could we put him? Now I do have an image where he's sitting down, so we could use that. Could use this. Hold on. He's sitting down here. I'm gonna use AI. Yes, I'm using AI, right? Generative AI. I know it's fucking up the water or whatever, but I need it for this part, right? So I don't know if that's the right shape. Probably not. Yeah, we're gonna have him like this. Like we're not even gonna blend in. Like that's the whole style. I'm gonna add a drop shadow onto him, just so it's like a weird look where it's like you can tell someone who just like learned Photoshop made it. Maybe an outer glow too, like a blue, but inner glow. I guess I just have to like mess around with it. I feel like this guy's money laundering. I'm not really too sure. Is it illegal for me to add this guy into the cover? Hey. Nah, that's tough. Hold on. Let's put drop shadow on them too. Boom. Yes, sir. Let's go. Now we're gonna add some more motherfuckers in here. What could we add? We'll put Gary in here too. That's some tough stuff, man. That's some shit you'd add, right? Probably not. I really don't know, bro. I'm telling you, I don't know what to add. Just perfect. Fucking perfect. And what if we had lasers like pointed at their head? Like, oh, what if we added some cause zombies in there? If we put them like right here, some zombies behind them, nice loving family there. Like I'm thinking we could add this, but like, hear me out. Oh wait, no, we could add this. Oh, put drop shadow on him. Only thing is, he's kind of like in the way of the woman, so we'll put him like right here in the middle. Rotate him a bit. Boom, there we go. Hey, and we can add another one here. I like this. Okay. Yo, now that's tough. We could have him like up here, like going crazy, like this motherfucker going crazy. Now that's tough. Hold on, bro, I'm telling you, bro. We'll have these motherfuckers on there too. I don't even give a fuck about skateboards. And usually what he does is he kind of like replaces shit. Like he would replace like something on his shirt or something like that. But we're just gonna replace like this sign right here. We're just make it say once more impact text as well. So we're gonna use that font impact. And something he did, or I don't know if he makes them, but something I've seen they do on the cover was they masked it out, like the first letter. We got fucking rasterize that shit. They just like made it weird. And then we'll just do the same shit. Do some shit like this, I don't know. Just random. Then we could up here to say Xaviersobased. I don't know what font this is. We'll just like do like the normal shit he does, like the default font. Obviously it's not perfect. You know what? I might even add to it, to be honest. If it's not perfect, I would say Arial, but I think Arial's like too like advanced. I feel like zeros, yeah, 20 is pretty good. Put a drop shadow on that too. So we're just drop shadowing the fuck out of this. We could change it to yellow. Just yeah, we could honestly give him like a gun, like do something like that. We could give her the gun. Give both of them a gun. Fuck it. Just make it like obviously Photoshop. Like you can tell this is Photoshop. And we're gonna put a drop shadow on that too. Or I might just like scale it up a bit. Or I might just do something like that. Kind of like bring it all together, Maybe we could try some like blend modes. I feel like he does a lot of them. Like random blend modes. And then Control U, colorize it. Kind of mess around with the colors. So I put a little parental advisory on it. Now I kind of do want to put it into my ultimate adjustment pack. I have this kind of like urge. If you guys do want to go ahead and check this shit out, I have a BOGO going on right now. You can go ahead and get one pack, get another for free. Like this clean one is probably just like the only one I would really use. Smoke there too. Hey, a bit of smoke. I don't know, some random shit, bro. Some random ass shit. And we could put there, like, honestly, to match the whole vibe, we could just put like a drop shadow on it. Something like that. Something like that. And boom, that's kind of like the whole cover, to be honest. Like, I don't know, this is kind of like decent. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this motherfucking video, make sure you guys leave a like. We did assassinate Xaviersobased and Yhapojj now, so we got the 2 jerk rappers off. Pause, right? Oh, hold on. Pause. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, join the Discord, follow along with the series and all that shit. And yeah, peace.